just entertainment,
Indeed.
full of entertainment,
Indeed.
excitement.
Indeed.
Sithemba Bulawayo omuhle. Ngalolu lwazi salinika lona. Welcome, 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 welcome. Waliwati.
Welcome.
Welcome, comrades of this community. Komiwati.
Community.
All the way from Nkulumane. Nkuluwati.
Nkulumane. Nkulukesh. Nkulubonzi.
Welcome, sons and daughters of Bulawayo. Bulawati.
Bulawayo.
Welcome, sons and daughters of God. Of Kowati.
God. We are the community messengers. Vele, buhlezi bukhona kukhona. Ngakho-ke, it calls for our collective conscience to categorically confront these compulsions of challenges. Yeah, change down. Yikosila.
This is victory. Siyanqoba.
Neka mwazi ama-system asho. And your conscience knows better than Ngono.
This is 2020. 40 years in Zimbabwe.
Whoa.
The provoking message.
The explosive music, the volcanic man, the great idea, the dynamic dance,
The expressive dialogue.
the objective action, the electrifying act, the quenchable activism.
Your time.
We are the community messengers, and this is the message.
Wabacha.
Omabebeza, Onda, Amaslay, Amarasta,
Amachita.
Ocheri, Shimoko, Impinchi,
Forward.
Izinzethu sidinga ama-mathematics nama-tactics okumanyuva
ngoba nxa singazenzeli
akula next ozasenzela zitshadala zakadala.
Now is the time to stand up.
time to act, time to challenge,
Time to take charge.
time to explode, time to fight, time to conquer, time to overcome.
Time to speak out.
For your rights.
Uthani silitshela indaba encane.
A simple fairy tale, pregnant with meaning. You see, in Kuruma Kokai, mouthful, collected, ukwani, relax, chillax, change down, linda bengani.
We all have enemies.
Ama-enemy, sonke silezitha, ziyasithakatha, zisithathela ama-chance.
We all have friends.
Sonke silabangani, ongasibonani, is gonna be hits.
Kodwa uthani silitshela indaba encane.
Encinci, encinyane, ecacileyo, calaceleni.
Kulabantu abalomona.
Omofaya, bediliza abanye.
Bebe khona balomhawu.
However, besola bonke.
Labathanda ukubukwa.
Ombonani, limbunge, mbatshase.
This is our story to you today.
Listen, and listen very, very carefully.
This is a special message from us to you today.
Listen methodically.
You see in life,
Ungalibandulathela. Never take this for granted.
simply because
You will never be granted pain out of the prison of poverty of ideas.
and if you have no idea,
You are academically malnutritioned.
and if you have no common sense,
You are quite shocked in the mind.
so my enemy,
Think with the capital letter T.
and you my friend,
Think in capital letters.
because
Ungayinisha amanzi, uzayithola inathile. Zikubhedele.
ungavela uzifake lapha.
Umhlaba uzakwehlisa. Wehle. Ungavuli futhi. Yindaba encane.
My daughter,
Mntanami.
you are an African.
Ungumuntu omnyama.
You deserve to be respected.
You deserve to be respected.
My son,
Ndodana.
you are an African.
Ungumuntu onsundu.
You must respect.
Hlonipha.
Ngoba many years ago,
Ama-menemene ayevele khona.
lesandla sesabhala emdulwini.
Menemene, take emfasini.
Okutsho ukuthi
Limenemene, mthatheni imthenisi.
nxa ulimenemene,
No community deserves you.
full stop.
Tshela abantu iqiniso.
Bayekeleni abantwana beze kimi.
Not ama-menemene. We say no to crooked crooks in our communities. Finish and clear.
Ngoba phakathi kwethu bakhona oDaniel.
They are not done yet. Basasevala imilomo yamadimoni.
Bakhona oDavida.
They never divide kingdoms. Basazozibambanisa lezi zizwe.
Bakhona oSamson.
They never cease to amaze. Basazodabula imilomo yezilwane lezilwanyana.
Bakhona oGabriel.
They always bring good news. And this is the message.
Phakathi kwethu bakhona oGoliath.
Silandemo, there shall be gnashing of teeth and weeping of tears.
Bakhona oPilato.
Abaqali bakhangela begeza izandla izinto zisonakala.
Bakhona oHerod.
Silandemo la baziyela iqiniso namhlanje iqiniso lizela bona
bakhona uJona
abathathu bahlezi beqinyane zomhlaba ngenxa yobutsotsi beqila iqiniso
bakhona njalo uThomas
abakhona ngokubona namhlanje lisikhangele lisibone. We are the community messengers and this is the message.
This was just entertainment, full of entertainment, excitement. Sithemba Bulawayo omuhle ngalolu lwazi selusithini.
I am for Bulawayo fighting COVID-19. I have suddenly grown older than my age. Necessity compels me to join the Bulawayo community in the fight against COVID-19. As a child, ngiyalalela, ngihlala endlini, ngidlalela ngekhaya, ngiyageza, ngihlale ngihlanzekile. People must behave, abantu abachume. Stay at home till it's gone, or else we'll perish together as fools. It's not a threat, it's an order. I protect you, you protect me. We are too young to succumb because of defiance.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Weliwadi, welcome. Welcome to Bulawayo. Gondonga ziwenene. Mama ngizele ngicela uyigcinele abantu abami. Welcome to Bulawayo, the city of kings and queens. Kosketha bahle emakhokoba. City of beautiful superstars in arts. City of cream de la cream talented the galaxy of stars in arts. City of elders, old, gigantic giants in the arts. Emzini komntana esilom ujoba joba ngangwathi majoba nam esigodleni senkosi yohlanga umkhatsha kozimangele okhatsha ngezinto inyawo lezi features zanyana. Our lives are under threatened by man-made human era COVID-19. Fellow kids, children and young people, together we can defeat the virus, we can conquer corona, we can lock it down, stay at home, play at home, pray at home till it's gone. Metembo Oxide, Junior, we are now.
For AMA 2000, ignore them at your own risk, peril, risk, peril, risk, peril.
Azodlula ishakushaku izodlula ituzopara izodlula igwarakwara izodlula ishitwalatsa izodlula.
Siyanqoba.
Amapiano azodlula, amashinshin azodlula, ishakushaku izodlula, itusokwara izodlula, ikwarakwara izodlula, ishitwalatsa izodlula. Shaya ibansula, shaya ibansula, ama 2000 shaya ibansula, ama 2000 shaya ibansula.
Moyoxide Additions.